Hello. Well, it's not looking too bad. We'll get to that in just a moment. Of course, earlier today, finally after yesterday's rain, there was a touch of sunshine. We've got a rainbow to prove that we actually did see the sunshine. Plenty of grey skies around as well. Some really sharp showers. It's been blustery and cool. And in fact, we've got more of the same as we look towards tomorrow. It's going to be really blustery. Those heavier showers likely first thing. And by the afternoon, they should be clearing. The reason for that, once the showers clear, we've got a little ridge of high pressure. But these winds now are going to be coming from a northerly direction. So that's Saturday. It's going to be cold, clear and bright, and hopefully a dry start to Remembrance Sunday, but eventually it will be turning a little bit wet as we head through the afternoon. Back to this evening, one or two scattered showers around, again quite sharp. It's a blustery evening, those winds gusting 30 miles per hour, but it is quite a cool night too, where you see clearer skies, temperatures falling away to around 4 or 5 degrees, and perhaps dry first thing. But once again, we're going to be seeing further scattered showers during the morning, heavy at times too, but they are easing. As we head through the afternoon, the winds go from a southwesterly to a northerly direction. So quite a cool day still, 9 or 10 degrees, and with those northerly breezes, it's going to be feeling even cooler than that. And it stays quite blustery during much of the day, those winds eventually easing. Friday over into Saturday with lighter winds and clearer skies. It's a chilly night. Temperatures 2 or 3 degrees in towns and cities, a touch of frost in more rural areas. And for Saturday, well, there's not much going on the map. It's going to be clear, lots of sunshine around. It's a cool day, and by the afternoon, temperatures perhaps 10 or 11 degrees, feeling a lot cooler than that. And then eventually for Remembrance Sunday, although it's a dry start during the afternoon, eventually turning wet, but behind it some milder conditions.
Very November.
Yes, I know, very November. A bit of a mixed bag there.
Indeed. Thanks, Rachel.